Good afternoon, everyone. You are looking at a rather damaged Fiat 500. We will come back to that in a minute. Right, 2013 Fiat 500 Lounge, 63,000 miles on the clock, just over a half tank of fuel. Come from Bristol, and yeah, it has arrived. It was completely flat, but we'll open up the engine, open up the bonnet in a minute and sort all of that out. So, time to have a look around. Now, MOT is good, won't need to do an MOT, no advisories, so I'm going to be happy, I'm assuming, with tyre treads and everything like that. Just double check to see what brands they are, if they're any good. Probably not. Fiat 500 brand of tyres tends to be always a bit poor, but there's some good chunk of, geez, they're almost brand new. I don't know what that is, but there's some real chunk on that. So from this side, that wing is good. Probably just need maybe a bit of touch up on the top there, but that wing is good, so that's great. And there's nothing, seal's good, nothing along that side, so looks to be, I'm happy with that. Now, when in the pictures in Copart, that window is down, and by looking at it, this has had, you can see the lovely classic sticky stuff to stop any rain getting in, so yeah, but luckily it appeared that now works, and that is up, so that is good. Right, on the rear, no issues at all. It's completely motoring, so what is that, GL2, so that's Gloucester. That's, yeah, comes from Bristol, so I suspect that's to be the case, so it's from that neck of the woods. What's this? Tyre. So difficult. Land sale? No idea. Again, seal is good. Happy there. Door handle's good. That window is down. And you can see there's been again some sort of the covering, so it looks like it's been covering this window. But this panel's good as well. This is all a bit, well, real rubbish, and this has taken a bit of a hammering at some point. Part of that's missing in there. But again, those front tyres have been done at the same time, but as panels go, I'm happy with this so far. Can't see any cracking to the top, but we'll double check on when we get inside. Pickup, God, does that say 9th of December? 9th of December was a pickup. That's been in the yard for a while then. Interesting. So, as you know, we are talking a new front bumper, but we can salvage, I think, everything on the front apart from that, which you're going to have to get another one for, but otherwise the number plate will clear up. These can be sorted, and the badge is good condition. That BRL is fine, it stays in place. We'll double check the logs on that in a minute. This is popped out, so we need to check, but I have got a new one just to be on the safe side, and obviously I've got a new headlight as well, but don't really know. And that's the damage to the windscreen. As you can see, it's not affected the pillar, hence why this is still a Cat N. Let me know what you think caused this accident. I think they've hit someone. That's going to be my take on it. Possibly the way that is on the corner, on the right hand side. Obviously I'm open to suggestions, but I think it's likely they've hit someone. Right, inside, very small battery, incredibly small battery, and we've got some obviously rusting going on down there. No indication about the timing belt, but it all seems to be running smoothly and nicely. But it doesn't look like I'm hoping that these aren't the bonnet hinges. I'm hoping haven't been affected and we can just swap the bonnet out. Fingers crossed. Right, let's go with the boot first. No. Okay, we'll come back to that. I think when you disconnect the battery, you have some issues with, you've got to unlock it and lock it and then sort all of that out. So, right, some lovely marks on there, not really sure what they are. It's almost like wax. Okay, right, let's have a look. Anything in here? No. Nope. Although that's a really loose seat. Look at that. Just normally these things are really difficult to sort out, but oh dear, I can't even move that seat. Why can't I move that back? Right. Nothing really in the back. We have the locking wheel nut is in this little bag here. Let's go hunting, shall we, in the rear via this method. So we've got the parcel shelf and we have the space saver, but it doesn't look like we have any documentation with the car at all. Just double checking down there. Doesn't look it, does it? It's kind of like it's had its clear out. Right. You always hope to find something, don't you? Okay. Right. So, first off, nothing in there. That's not all broken. And yeah, we've got nothing else in here or in the side pockets either. Or in this one. Okay. Check of the CD. It's on auxiliary. No. Oh no, look. We're missing one of them. Annoying. Bugger. However, looking at the top here, this is all good. So, yeah, it's fairly uneventful inside, apart from it being really dirty. Again, because that's how people seem to live these days. What's that say? Fast gas. Tis, do you hear it? No, it's silent. I wonder what that is. Let's have the old smell for I don't see it, bear with me. I don't see it being a cannabis bag. That's too big for that. Bear with me. Right, I've opened it. No, right, thank God it's not been used by a cannabis user, so that's good. But yeah, clutch and everything seems to be all good. Gearbox seems to be fine. We briefly moved it. That's the damage from the inside. And yeah, nothing else really. Nothing else at all. So, I'm sort of a bit taken back by how, I want to say, bog standard this is. I expected some kind of, I don't know, just expected some little gifts or something like that, but obviously not. Let's just try the windows. Yeah. Good, right, windows work, that's great. But yeah, so it's now started fully on raining, so we will now shut the car off. One key does this shut, or have I got to do the whole? Yes, okay, that's good. So that's another job, which you'd be a pain about how it's quite annoying to have to fix the non-folding keys. But otherwise, yeah. Okay. I think, so I'm not going to do this from outside. This windscreen is being replaced tomorrow. Tomorrow sometime in the day, and then the bonnet I've already got, and I've already got the lights, and the bumper has been sprayed, and that just needs the parts going on. So ultimately, oh no, I tell you what I didn't check. I think we're gonna have to go and get wet. We need to check whether or not that thud to the left hand side has caused that slam panel any problems. Right, let's do that, and then you'll be pleased to know you can all go, and that is lesson for today done. Bear with me. I think, I think we can possibly knock that slam panel up a bit, but otherwise I think that slam panel is all good. There's no bend in that, and I think we're going to be just fine. I think that leg is fine, but yeah, until I get that bumper off, I think we're going to be okay. But yeah, double 100%, just make sure that when that comes off, but I think we might be alright. Okay, we are done. That is going to be your 2013 Lounge, which I'm hoping is going to be pretty much a quick flip. I know it doesn't look it, but it might actually be a pretty quick flip. Sorry, I was interrupted by my neighbour there. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you think I've missed anything. How much, when it's all done, Cat N, remember, what do you reckon I should sell it for? Bearing in mind that someone's already said that they want one, and this is kind of for them, but I'm interested to know what you think I should be charging for it. And also, as I say, what do you reckon that kind of incident is? So yeah, but thanks again. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more cars and, well, just more Fiat 500s, but they won't be all Fiat 500s, I promise. But until next time, see you all again very, very soon.